I want to introduce you guys to the competency hierarchy. At the bottom, we have unconscious incompetence. These are the Reddit, Wall Street bets, degenerate dudes. YOLOing calls, thinking leverages IQ. People who actually believe in the Apex prop firm challenges. Day trading the NQ, using like 15 NQ contracts, catching maybe like 5-10 point moves, showing that they made like $3,000 in 1 minute. These are the kind of people who come under the unconscious incompetence category, people who day trade. Conscious incompetence is the next level where people know that they aren't really good at trading, are aware of that, and know that there is like a whole world, a whole wealth of information which actually needs to be learned. The level above that is conscious competence. These are guys who know that they're good, but the steps of the trade idea generation process isn't fully automated for these guys. They stopped scalping Tesla, stopped trading 0DT S&P 500 calls, and they have a 1 month time horizon on every trade they take. Construct them properly, look at the payoff diagram, use vertical spreads or ratio call spreads, and make the right decision all the time. The next level, we have unconscious competence. These guys are killers. These guys tracks rates, credit, macro flows, ETF flows, sector flows. They understand what the Fed's doing with the balance sheet right now, quantitative easing, tightening, everything there is to know macro. So in this video, I'm basically going to talk about how everyone is basically unconsciously incompetent. Everyone who basically touches the Wall Street bets, YOLO trading, 0DTE calls, stuff like that. How everyone who loses money in the financial markets all look the same. Now, why should you listen to me? I was mentored by the Institute of Trading and Portfolio Management ex Goldman Sachs traders Anton Creel and Edward Scheck, and the portfolio manager of Dragonstone Capital, based out of Singapore, managing $3 billion. In addition to that, I have completed multiple specializations and have also created my own algorithm which is running in the markets, which has generated me over a 7,500% return over the last 15 years, all of which you can find in the bio. The guys who lose money in trading really all look the same. Everyone's really just looking for quick money. People are looking to retire using the FIRE movement, looking to make money using the wheel strategy, harvesting credit. You can pull money out of the market. The market is your ATM. The Forex markets are the most liquid markets on the planet. Take advantage of that. It's all just pushed down your throat by charlatan educators online. You can't start off trading with 500 bucks, expect that to turn that into $1 million. There's really no way to do that without taking serious leverage. And when you take serious leverage, the odds are massively, massively against you. I'm not saying that it's impossible, but it's a seriously stupid bet to take. What I've seen online is people using the wheel strategy for consistently making income in the financial markets by using stuff like the cash secured put or selling calls, naked calls. That's really how people think is a risk free way to consistently generate income. And I'm here to tell you, you're gonna get. These kind of strategies are pushed on by you by market makers mainly. If you look at any tasty trade video where they talk about the jade lizard or they talk about selling straddles, the amount of capital you need to risk for that trade is insane. You need a lot of backup capital, which a lot of people don't have in the first place. The win rate is high, but you lose one single trade and your downside is asymmetric completely. You will get totally wiped out if you have no idea how to manage risk. And even if you do, it's a horrible trade to take. Yes, it does have like a 9 out of 10 hit rate, but the one time you lose, you wipe your slate clean. The Forex market is the most liquid market on the planet, but the daily standard deviation of most Forex pairs is less than 1%. There's no vol. You basically make nothing. You're gonna have to use some serious leverage to get meaningful returns. And then also, most people don't know which currencies are pegged. Most people don't know which currencies are commodity based or non commodity based, pegged, depegged. They just don't know what to do. Trading not so very volatile pairs, punting on the Forex market using 100 times leverage. The odds are totally skewed against you. So, retiring early, the FIRE movement, the wheel strategy, cash secured puts, forex markets, margin. None of these things work in your favor. And so many people get burnt watching YouTube tutorials teaching them how to run the wheel strategy and the cash secured put. It's total annihilation of wealth, your personal wealth.